Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing. However, in this video, it's going to be a little bit different than how I normally do my Boxycharms. I just got finished filming the video, using everything for the first time, and honestly, you guys, it's just not good. My lighting was off. I was just having a bunch of trouble, and so the footage I know is going to be crap. So I'm going to do this video as more of a me just really quickly talking about all the products real quick, since I did use them all and I do have my thoughts and opinions. I'm sorry this is not going to be a try on video as normal, and I will definitely do a try on one next month. I am so sorry. I don't know what is up today, but I don't want to refilm it because I feel like my reactions just aren't going to be as authentic and natural, and it's just going to look staged and rehearsed. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk to you about the products we got in the box this month and my thoughts on them. So first thing we got in the box is this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This is a full-size product and it retails for $42. It is supposed to visibly reduce under eye bags as well as color correct dark circles. Oh, goodness gracious. It is really thick and kind of tough to squeeze out of the tube, and it does come out in this orangey color. It's kind of thick, and honestly when you start putting it on, it's kind of tacky. It does have a like skincare like smell, and it does give you a slight cooling effect under the eyes. Of course, I can't say much on this product. Like, I can say it didn't burn and the smell didn't bother me, and so far nothing has happened, but I'm obviously going to have to keep trying this product out to see how I like it. I'm excited to do that because I do like getting Dr. Brandt in the Boxycharms. I think it's awesome that we do get such an expensive skincare brand in the box. So I do like that, and I'm excited to keep trying it out. So the next thing in the box was this Cella Beauty eyebrow cream. It's in the shade Tantalizing Taupe. This is a full-size product and it retails for $26. The packaging is where you pop the top off and you have a brush, and then you unscrew the bottom, and that is where like the pomade lies. I do not like this product. First things first, I don't like the packaging. I don't like that it doesn't come with a spoolie, because in my personal opinion, all brow products should have a spoolie. And then the brush is so thick and the bristles are so wide and just like not tight together that it's very difficult to get a precise brow on the tail and to make hair-like strokes in the front. Pretty much in like the in-between part of your brow in here, it really doesn't matter because you're pretty much just kind of coloring it in, at least for me anyways, because my eyebrows are kind of thick. I don't know, you guys, I didn't like it. I'm more of an eyebrow pencil girl because I like how small it is and how much control you have. And I definitely think for anybody that has to kind of work a little bit more to fill in their eyebrows, like if you have thinner brows or, you know, just a lot of sparse areas, that this really isn't going to help you out. It's just going to be difficult, and then you have to reach for a spoolie separately. So this was not a big hit for me, but I did think the color was nice. Like, it did work for my brows, which was very good because, man, that would have been embarrassing in this video. The next thing in the box was this Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow collection. It is a 12 pan like bronzy warm tone eyeshadow palette. I do appreciate the pan size and the fact that it has a nice mirror. I think the packaging is really pretty with the black and like the rose gold. It's quite simple. The mattes were pretty decent. There was a good bit of kick up. That doesn't really bother me, but I know it bothers some people. And the shimmers were okay. They weren't anything spectacular. Like, I have the shimmer on my eye and it's not really shimmery. I didn't use Fix Plus. I had put it on with my finger, and in my personal opinion, they're very, very soft, much softer than the shimmers that I'm used to or that I prefer. And when I say they're soft, what I mean is when I was picking them up on my finger, it was very crumbly, and so when I went to press it on the eyes, it not only like crumbled down my face, but then when I went to kind of blend out like my outer corner or anything. The shadow was literally just disappearing, and not just the fact that it was like dulling the shine, if you will, but like literally there were spots on my eye where there was now no makeup, like my eyelid was completely showing through, which to me is not what I'm looking for, which bums me out because I do think the eyeshadows are beautiful in colors. They're like right up my alley. You guys know I love like warm eyes. But I don't know. Now, it could have been me. Like I said, I struggled throughout the whole video. And personally, this is not one of my favorite eyeshadow looks I've ever created. Like, I don't know if it was me. I don't know if it was the shadows, but it just looks kind of dull. Like, it's hard for you to see that I literally have 4 different eyeshadows on right now. Like, to me, it just looks like all one color. I don't know. I'm going to continue to play with it because, like I said, the mattes were quite nice, and maybe it's just because I was having a rough day. So this wasn't a total fail for me, but it wasn't a win either. I will say the best color I used out of it, honestly, was this lighter color here. That's what's in my inner corner and under my brow bone. It's nice because it's kind of like a satin shade, so it's not supposed to be super shimmery and glittery, but it's also not like a matte white either. So I did like that shade. And so for reference, if you were wondering, the colors I used in this palette were the entire top row and this middle like mauve plum shade right here. I'm hoping that next time I play with it, it'll work better. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Okay, you guys, so the next thing in the box is this Wonder Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. This is a full-size product and it retails for $24. This mascara says it's supposed to volumize, lengthen, strengthen, and condition your lashes. And no, it doesn't. My lashes look okay at this current moment, I will say that. But that is because I had to put tons and tons and tons of mascara on. I lost count of how many like coats I was doing, and by the time I got enough coats on there where you could like tell there was really mascara on there and it didn't just look like my eyelashes naturally, I end up having to take my little like eyelash separator brush thing that I use for my falsies and do my lashes, because by the time I had put that much mascara on, they started clumping together and it looked like I had 3 eyelashes. I don't think this mascara does anything that it claims to do in the way that it should do it, in just like 1 or 2 coats tops. And I had high hopes for this mascara. I think the packaging is absolutely adorable. It kind of looks like a lip gloss or a lipstick like the Too Faced ones. I think it was absolutely great. I thought the brush looked really nice. It was kind of fat and had nice wispy little bristles. It was curved, which I thought was going to be amazing. But no. The mascara is very dry, and it's not like I'm over here like, I don't really prefer watery mascaras, but I like a nice in-between. And the best way that I can explain it to you and hopefully make sense is that like when I put on mascara, I like to feel like the brush, like the wand, is kind of hugging my lashes and really coating them with mascara. And this literally just felt like I was like this, not even touching it. It's almost like I couldn't even feel that I was doing it. I could visually see that my lashes were attempting to get darker, but it literally looked like I had barely even touched my lashes. After like 2 to 3 coats, they looked just like my lashes in general. And that's not what I'm going for in a mascara, especially if I'm not going to wear falsies. I want my lashes to be coated in mascara so you can see that I have eyelashes. I can't really argue about the like curling claim, because I curl my lashes every time I do my mascara, but this was just not for me. I have so many other mascaras like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, the Buxom, what is this, Double Decker, that are just so much better. The Benefit Roller Lash, I just think this is just not as good as it should be, especially if you're a girl who doesn't like to wear falsies and you're counting on your mascara to really come through. So this was another dud for me. Okay, so the last thing in the box, which happened to be my favorite thing out of the entire box, is this Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. This is obviously full size and it retails for $11.99, so hello drugstore price. Again, I like the packaging. I think it's super sleek and nice. And this is in the shade 05 Desert Rose. It's a beautiful like peachy pink color. And I don't know if you can tell, but like the word note is embossed in the powder, which I think is a nice touch. It makes it look a little bit more expensive than it actually is. And then you can open it up and it does come with a little brush. I, however, am getting rid of this because I won't use it, but if you're balling on a budget and you want to check this blush out, it comes with that and a little mirror inside. This is it swatched. I think it's an absolutely beautiful like peachy pink shade. It's very, very pigmented, very soft. It blends out like a dream. I think it is beautiful for many different skin tones as well as all seasons, and it's going to really complement many, many makeup looks. I will say that I do appreciate that the blush complemented the eyeshadow palette that we were given in the box, so that way you didn't look like a freaking clown with like a hot pink blush or something and more of like a warm tone palette. So I do like the thought consideration there. Like I said, this was my favorite product. I'm really happy to continue to use this, especially as I continue to try and like incorporate more blush into my life. And I do like it is in a color that I am very, very comfortable with. Okay, you guys, now that we've gone over everything that was in this box, I did the math and this box retailed for $133.98, which is insane. I say it every month, but the box only costs you $21. How is it always valued at over $100? I'll never understand. But as you guys saw, this month's box for me was pretty hit or miss. It just was not the most amazing box that I have ever received, but I mean, no harm, no foul. It was still fun to play, and I'm hoping that I can make the eyeshadow palette work, and I'm hoping that the Dr. brand's eye cream will cure my dark circles and depuff my eyes, and I love the blush. So aside from the mascara and the brow product, it wasn't half bad. And hey, if I don't like it, I just regift it to my friends, and they're always really appreciative to give my stuff a new home, except for that mascara though, because I would never do that to anybody. That mascara is just disrespectful, and that would be so rude of me. If you guys have Boxycharm yourself, I would love to know what you got in your box down below. Did you love your box? Did you hate your box? Let's chit chat about it. I will also leave the Boxycharm website down in the description box below, because I do think that it is a good subscription service overall, especially for makeup lovers or beginners, because it puts all the guesswork out of buying makeup and you just kind of get to play around and have fun. But yeah, you guys, thank you for sticking with me through this video. Again, I am so sorry that this was not a try-on Boxycharm unboxing. Like I said, I was just struggling to the max, but I still want to talk about it with you. I promise you that next month's Boxycharm unboxing will be a try-on haul. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hopefully I will see you in my next one.